Let's be real, ladies. Have you ever finished a round of antibiotics, recovered from a vaginal infection, but deep down, you just know something still wasn't right down there? Maybe the odor feels off, or the discharge isn't what it used to be, or you just don't feel as fresh as you would love to. What's happening is your vaginal microbiome, being your natural balance of good bacteria, has been disrupted. And today I'm going to walk you step by step through how to restore it safely and naturally with real science, practical steps, and timelines that actually work. So grab your writing materials, because by the end of this masterclass, you will know exactly how to bring your body back into balance. Let's begin. Here's what's going on behind the scenes. Your vagina naturally contains healthy bacteria, mainly lactobacillus species. These friendly bacteria keeps your vaginal pH slightly acidic, between 3.8 to 4.5, and this environment prevents harmful bacteria such as yeast to grow out of control and prevent infections from taking over. But when you take antibiotics to treat an infection or go through hormonal changes, those good bacteria can be wiped out. Okay, when that balance is lost, there is odor, there's irritation, or recurrent infections can start showing up. So the goal isn't just to feel fresh, but to rebuild that healthy ecosystem that protects us from the inside out. In the first 72 hours of taking antibiotics post-recovery, stop all irritants such as vaginal perfumes, antiseptic wipes, fragrance wipes. Rather, opt for plain water. And if you must use a soap, ensure it's a mild, fragrance-free, pH-balanced soap, and it should be used in the vulva only. Ensure to finish the course of the antibiotics prescription before proceeding to these next steps I'll be talking about. Now, it's the time to rebuild your vaginal microbiome. After antibiotics treatment, your best allies are targeted probiotics. Look for probiotic supplements that contain these two strains of lactobacillus, and they are Lactobacillus rhamnosus GR1 and Lactobacillus reuteri RC14. These specific strains have been shown to restore vaginal flora and reduce recurrence of infection. Take as recommended by your provider and use consistently for at least 4 to 6 weeks. Recovery isn't overnight, as it takes consistency to build that conducive ecosystem. Think of it as replanting a garden. It needs daily care. Now that we've planted the good bacteria via taking probiotics, we need to feed them. And the best foods for healthy vaginal flora are prebiotics. Prebiotics comes from foods like oats, garlic, onions, banana, flax seeds, and asparagus. They help your probiotics thrive and crowd out the bad bacteria. In all these, abstain from refined sugar, because sugar feeds yeast and makes recovery very slow. Rather, swap those sugary snacks for yogurts, unsweetened pap, and your body will thank you for it. Your lifestyle affects your vaginal microbiome, and here is how. Your gut health and vaginal health are directly linked. The same bacteria that protects your gut often influence the balance down there. So to restore your microbiome fully, load up on fiber-rich foods and fermented foods. Don't overuse antibiotics. Taking it unnecessarily can make your body resistant to antibiotics, and when you need it the most, it becomes ineffective. So be guided and don't take medications without recommendations from your doctor. Hormones such as estrogen helps to maintain vaginal thickness, elasticity, and a healthy pH. When estrogen drops in times like postpartum, perimenopause, or with the use of some contraceptives, your vaginal microbiome becomes more fragile. You can support your hormones naturally by eating healthy fats gotten from foods like avocado, nuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, and oily fish. And also, it's not only salmon that has oil. You can get oils from mackerel, sardines, and tuna. Getting enough sleep, adequate exercises, and stress management are vital, because high cortisol can throw off your balance too. Even if it's just for 20 minutes of walking a day, or light yoga helps with circulation and healing of your microbiome. Sometimes, despite doing everything right, you still have stubborn symptoms of frequent recurrence of infection. That's when clinician guided local treatments come in. One example is boric acid suppositories. Okay, these are used to restore the pH and manage recurrent yeast or bacterial vaginosis infections. If over-the-counter options don't help, it's okay to seek professional help. By doing that, you are not overreacting. You're taking responsibility for your health. Everyday care matters just as much. You have to learn to wear cotton underwear during the day because it allows airflow and absorbs moisture. Avoid staying long in damp clothes, be it in your gym outfits or swimsuits. Also, go panty free at night because it's necessary to let her breathe. After using the loo, as a lady, use a peri bottle with water in it, or use a wipe and wipe from front to back. Also, ensure to always use a peri bottle with water or carry out a gentle rinse after intimacy and urination. Small habits that guarantee big results when it comes to feminine health are: you remove irritants from your daily routine, add pre and probiotic supplements to your daily habits, and lastly, hydrating yourself by drinking water. This will help your vaginal flora to rebuild, and within a few weeks your microbiome will stabilize and you'll notice better comfort, discharge, and natural lubrication would return. With consistency, you will build a healthier, stronger vaginal microbiome. For safety reminders, boric acid is for vaginal use only. It shouldn't be taken orally and should not be used by pregnant women. Probiotics are generally safe, but not all brands are equal. Look for those specific strains I talked about, that's the GR1 and RC14, and please don't insert yogurt or home remedies into your lady parts. That's a myth and can introduce harmful bacteria and cause severe inflammation. So queens, your vaginal microbiome is powerful. It's your natural defense system, but it needs your patience and consistency to heal appropriately. Support it with gentle care, the right probiotics, and a lifestyle that nourishes you from within. If this helped you, please hit like, share it with a sister, and subscribe for more masterclasses on women's health. Also, I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried restoring your vaginal health naturally? Drop your experiences or questions, if you have any, for me in the comments, and let's talk. Until next time, stay confident, stay balanced, and always remember, I've got you. Bye.